guys, Horror Hunter here, or Hunter Sawyer, my next generation costume. That's the chainsaw, the massacre, the next generation. Thank you for, Mike Wongdo and Joseph Wongdo. They're the ones that helped me put this costume together. Or, if you want, you can go for Chrissy or Dell Jr., yeah. So thank you. My saw here. This is a Brayton Sawyer classic because the saw is always family. My Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3 saw. You can tell because the line coming down. That I'll add in the video. So, the Brayton Sawyer classic, the saw is always family. Okay. Next, the slaughterhouse, the B-knuckle bear. Yeah, and let's get this saw started. Let's do the chainsaw dance from that movie. Hunter Sawyer, next generation. Okay. Hey, tell me when it's at 2:90, when that's showing the time 2:98, okay? Or 2:97, okay? No, 2:96, okay? Back in the land. Okay. I know this jacket, not the same color. It was a military green.